Good morning, Leo.
I eat breakfast.
Look, a shell.
I hear the sea.
I have a surprise.
What is it?
Aquarium tickets today.
I am so excited! I am so excited! I love sea animals.
Bring your book.
Look in my bag.
Take a notebook.
I write new words.
Take one photo.
It is cool inside.
I wear my jacket.
Clean hands, Leo.
Yes, clean hands.
Let us go now.
Seatbelt on.
This is the aquarium.
It is so big.
Smile, Leo.
Cheese. Huh. Big smile.
Here are our tickets.
So many blue lights.
No flash photos.
Okay. No flash.
No tapping glass.
I do not tap. I see fish.
Fish swim in water.
They swim so fast.
Write fish now.
I write fish. I walk slowly.
Stay close, Leo.
I stay with you. I stay with you. Whoa! Wow! Big tank.
Many fish together.
1, 2, 3.
They swim together.
Together, like us.
This is coral.
This is coral.
I write coral. Ha! Fish above me.
This is a ray.
This is a ray.
Ray is so flat.
This is a shark. This is a shark.
Shark swims slowly.
It has teeth.
I feel scared. You are safe. I feel okay.
This is a turtle. This is a turtle.
Turtle has a shell.
Hello, turtle.
It breathes air.
I write turtle.
This fish is huge.
So big.
Bubbles go up.
I like bubbles.
This is an octopus.
This is an octopus. Eight arms. Octopus.
8 arms. Wow. Wow.
More animals now.
These are jellyfish. And her jellyfish.
These are jellyfish.
They move slowly. It is very quiet.
Use small voice.
Okay. I whisper. This is a clownfish.
This is a clownfish.
How? It is so small.
Asea anemone. Asea anemone.
Sea anemone.
This is a seahorse.
This is a seahorse.
Whew. It swims upright. I swim upright. Whoa.
Very funny, Leo. This is a starfish.
It is a star.
Do not touch.
I do not touch.
These are sea otters.
These are sea otters.
They play and swim.
Showtime now! Look! Diver feeds!
Many fish eat.
Stand right here.
I stand here.
Great day, Leo.
I drink water.
Eat a snack.
Yummy snack. Yummy snack.
Put trash here. Put trash here.
I keep it clean. Big tank is fun. This is a shark. This is a turtle. These are jellyfish. This is a clownfish. This is a seahorse. This is a starfish. These are sea otters.
You learn a lot.
I know sea animals. Oh.
We go home now.
Goodbye. See you.